Hello friend, in this video I'll solve an important integral of integral calculus, and the question is integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin theta d theta. So I have assumed it is I, and with the property of definite integration, that means integration from 0 to a f theta d theta equal to integration from 0 to a f of a minus theta d theta. It is the property of definite integration. By the property of definite integration, we can write, okay, so I can be written as integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sine of 90 minus 2 pi by 2 minus theta d theta, and sine 90 minus theta is what? It is cos theta, so you can write 0 to pi by 2 log of cos theta d theta. This is equation second, okay. So if you add equation first and second, we can write 2i equal to what? Integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin theta plus log of cos theta d theta, okay. By the property of log, that means log m plus log n equal to what? It is nothing but log m into n, so you can write log sin theta into cos theta d theta. We can multiply and divide by 2, so you can write 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2 theta by 2 d theta. Now 2 is constant, so we can write also 0 to pi by 2 log m minus n. Log m by n is what? Log m minus n. So you can write log sin theta d theta minus 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 d theta, okay. And if we observe, this term is original question, so we can write here I, and this is 2i I minus log 2 is constant, so we can take outside from the integration 0 to pi by 2 d theta 1 d theta, and if we take at left hand side, this is 2i minus I, which is equal to minus log of log 2 integration of 1 is theta, which is 0 to pi by 2, and minus log 2 pi by 2 minus 0 on taking upper and lower limits. First we will take pi by 2 upper limit, and then with minus sign you can write lower limit 0 at the place of theta. So finally we have I equal to, I is what? Integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin theta d theta equal to what? If you take pi by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2, okay. So this is our final answer, which is very important. In different types of question we can use simply this result, okay. So this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.